what we do here is go back.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet. So that is where you can find and follow me. I figured that I would do something really fun and recreate my most viewed video. Now my most viewed video, if you haven't already seen it, I will put it right here. It is a box braid styling video, and I did 6 styles that mimic celebrities that I'm super inspired by, and I figured since I have knotless box braids right now, I would recreate that. So if you want to see that, go ahead and keep on watching. I have my computer here and I'm going to watch this video. Let's see what we do
here is go back.
Okay, so the very first style that I did was inspired by Chilli from TLC, and it was a half up, half down look. Now that is a standard, you know, standard braid style, but let's go ahead and do it. So half up, half down style, super simple, super easy. I like to take a front section of my hair, leaving the parts closest to my ears down, which kind of makes you look like a Pomeranian, but it can also be very cute. So I'm just gonna take this, like so, there it is. And that is the half up, half down style, okay? So that was style numero uno. Let's move on to style numero dos. So the second style was a high ponytail inspired by Janet Jackson, the one and only. This is probably my favorite style. I wear my hair up in a high ponytail a lot. So the easiest way to do a high ponytail when you have super long braids is just flip your hair over and then collect it while your hair is flipped over, okay? So like that. Because this ponytail could be tighter, I'm going to actually wrap it around and make a second ponytail with just a few braids. Pull that through like so. So now the ponytail is tight, and we have these braids that are separated out, and I'm going to use this essentially to wrap around the base of the braid so you cannot even see the ponytail holder. This is how I do my high ponytail. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick little bonus style because Beehive knows exactly the braid that I'm referencing. But basically, y'all know about it. Bee had that super duper high braid, and then she, you know, her braid was doing all types of choreography. It was like boom, 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 don't, and came around that shoulder just like that with the quickness. It was really fierce. That braid was so iconic. So yes, if you want to do a Beehive braid, a high bun, you can do that too. Okay, let's see what the next style is. Oh, I think my next style was also inspired by Beyonce. So I essentially did a flat twist around my head. What I ended up doing is wrapping this twist around the base of my head like this, and then tucking this part. But I named this one Beyonce because it's a crown, and obviously Queen Bee. You know what I'm saying? But let's see what we did in the next one. Next style is like signature Solange messy bun. Basically, I'm gonna do the same thing as I did with the ponytail. Flip my hair over, I'm gonna gather it at the base, except for when I do buns, I do not use a ponytail holder. I kind of just start wrapping, and I'm gonna do this like a Bantu knot. Like that. And that's how I do like my buns, my messy buns, especially when I'm doing braids. It's a little lopsided, but you know, you get the idea. Let's see what the next style is. Ooh, okay. So I remember this next one was a faux bouffant, and it was inspired by none other than Janelle Monae. Okay. She's not terrible. What about this? I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at all. How many other hairstyles did I do? Jesus. Oh, okay. So I just did one more hairstyle, and it was like my signature style, which back in the days, if you knew me in my college days, child, I used to wear this part in a bun, and the rest would just be down, and that was like my style, and I loved it, that little bun. This is basically how I always wore my hair in college. Those are like the 6 styles that I originally gave y'all in that video. That video has reached 500,000 views, which is insane to me. So firstly, I want to say thank you so much for just supporting me and liking that video and sharing that video and commenting on that video. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. And once you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I'm posting a new video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.